And the race is on. Bonjour from the outside, running down on the inside is I Want Justice. By the rally fast forward, rushing up is Royal Princess. Final Judgment, Purely Kali, Red Lotus, and His Majesty. Royal Princess, I Want Justice. And racing in 30 fast forward, Bonjour racing in fourth by some 4 lengths. Rounding the far turn, Royal Princess, I Want Justice, fast forward, and moving up by the release, Purely Kali, Bonjour, as they race the final corner. Royal Princess still leading by a length and a half, and on the outside, fast forward, I Want Justice, and moving up is Red Lotus down on the inside. It's now entry number 2, I Want Justice, Red Lotus by the red, Purely Kali. And still I Want Justice and Bonjour down on the inside. And finally, I Want Justice. Close, Bonjour. Fast forward. Then comes number 5, Red Lotus. Royal Princess. I Want, number 3, Final Judge.